Greetings all. Welcome to episode number 57 of Monday Morning Motivation and wish you all a very happy new year 2026. The message for today is from the Tata Sons chairman. He talked about 3 priorities for Tata Group in 2026. I thought I will take the same thing for our Monday Morning Motivation in the first week of this year. Those 3 things are disciplined execution, stronger teamwork, and willingness to take calculated risk. These are the 3 messages Mr. Chandrasekhar gave in a note to the Tata Sons executives and employees. So let's decode this. The first one is consistent execution creates stability. Whether you are working in a company or you are an entrepreneur or solopreneur, whatever goals you have for this year, whether it's personal or professional, focusing on the disciplined execution rather than the result. For example, you want to go for a walking every day, just walk. You want to focus on one skill to upgrade as an employee, work on that one skill consistently. It may be a 10-minute, 15-minute effort, but keep doing that, right? Disciplined execution is what Mr. Chandrasekhar is talking about. The second thing he talks about is teamwork consistently outperforms individual brilliance. You may be an individual contributor in a company or you may be a solopreneur, but still you have to master the skill of working with people, working with your vendors, working with your customers, working with other colleagues in your team, working with your boss. We have to master the people skill, the stronger teamwork. The third important thing he talks about is willingness to take calculated risk. He talks about investing in research and scholarship for the companies. As an individual, we will take about investing in upgrading ourselves or taking that tough position companies offering, maybe a risk. It's out of your comfort zone. So can you move out of your comfort zone and take that position in the company? Or if you're an entrepreneur, investing yourself on a program to learn more about sales or finance or operations or whatever it is, or going to that conference abroad and meeting new customers, or entering a new market or new country to sell your product. Taking that bold calculated risk is what will take you to the next level. So these are 3 great messages from Tata Sons chairman. It's not only for Tata Group, even each one of us can also learn that and implement in our company and grow big and have a great year in 2026. Signing off, this is Subramanian, Chandramouli, author and sales specialist. See you next week.